Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So tie the ponytail, pull it upward and fix it as shown in the video. Now tie the hairs on the top and then roll it down using the bun clips like this or the hairpins, and it's ready. Next, you have to take the ponytail like this and fix the bun stick on the hairs. Now roll the hairs around it, tie it using a rubber band from the bottom and fold it to make a bun. Fix it from the sides and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to tie the ponytail and then rotate it. After rotating it, tie the hairs on the top and then roll it down. Fix it using the rubber band, fold it the hairs and fix it using the bun pins like this, and your hairstyle is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Divide the hairs, make the plaits and fold it upward. Put the hair clutch like this and fix it the hairs, and then your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to tie the hairs, make a ponytail. Now roll the down hairs and then fold it upward. Fix it by folding it from the side. Spread the hairs and then put the rubber band. Put the hair clips like this and it's ready. Next, you have to tie the ponytail. Now fold the hairs like this using the bun pin and fix it inside the hairs like this. Make a bun and clog the hairs and it's ready. Next, you have to take the hairs from the sides, tie it and put it upward and fix it using the hair clip. Now divide the hairs into 3 parts, roll them upward and fold it like this. Tie the hairs together on the top and then fold it down and fix it using the hairpins like this, and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, you have to tie the ponytail, fix this hair clutch on the hairs, divide it from the between, fold it upward like this and fix it inside the hair clutch, and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, you'll be making some more beautiful hairstyles. Tie a ponytail, fold the hairs upward and fix it half. Now roll down the hairs again and divide it from the between. Roll it and then fix it using the hair clutches like this, and it's ready. Next, you have to tie the ponytail, fix it in the half like this, and then again divide the hairs from the between. Rotate it and then fold it upward and fix it over the bun. Now spread the hairs from the sides, tie it and put the hair clutch over it, and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we'll be making some more interesting hairstyles. Tie a ponytail, fix this hair clip, divide the hairs into 3 parts and then fix them inside the hair clips like this. After that, roll the hairs and tie it from the top. Now roll it down and fix it using the bun pins like this, and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the ponytail, divide the hairs from the between, pull it back and then divide the hairs like this. Tie it and then fix it using the rubber band. Fold the hairs like this and spread it. Put the rubber band over the hairs and your hairstyle is ready. Next, you have to tie the hairs like this and then put the hair clutch like this. Now after that, tie all the hairs, divide it from the between, fold it upward and fix it inside the hair clutch like this, and your hairstyle is ready. Next, take the hairs and fix this hair clip on the hairs. After that, we will divide the hairs from the sides into small sections and fix it inside the clip one by one on the alternative sides. Divide the hairs and make the plaits. Fold them upward and fix it using the bun pins, and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we'll be tying a ponytail. Fix the hairs like this by rotating it. After rotating the hairs, fold the hairs upward and fix it like this in the between. Fold it and then fix it using the hair clutches, and its hairstyle is ready. Thanks for watching our video.